G'day everyone. Do you have problems with your parsnips? I do. Germination rates can be pretty low, and one of the ways around this is soaking the seeds. But when you soak the seeds, it's really hard to get them apart and put them back in the tray, and they all stick together, and yeah, it's messy. So I thought I'd try something that's using a technique that I've not really done much with, and that's a seed snail. I did it for cuttings and it didn't work terribly well, but I'm going to try it with the seeds this time. We'll come in and have a look and see how I'm going to do this. Now hopefully the audio and video is going to be okay on this, because my tree died and I'm back to the phone and the cheapy microphone. But hopefully it's all right. Let's have a look what we're doing. So what we've done is I've got some black plastic, some normal towel, and I've laid them out on top of each other. Now the reason for this is the black plastic will hold the moisture in, and we're going to just do this. Run all the potting mix along the top. This is seed raising mix, fairly thick. Another reason we're doing the seed snail is if you grow them in punnets, they tend to not like being transplanted. They'll curl up, and you will get very crooked parsnips. So what I'm going to do now is open my seed packet. Get out my parsnip seeds, and we're just going to place them along the top here. The idea that we're going to stand this up with this at the top. That's the top. They'll sprout up here, we hope, and nothing is going to interfere with their downward root growth. They are very close together, yes, I know, but when we take them out, we'll be able to separate them relatively easily, I think, without disturbing the roots too much. Just need a bit more potting mix up that far end, and what we're now going to do is lay another layer of towel across here, and we're going to fold this up. We're just going to get some tape. About that one. I'm going to fold this up. Like so. Tape it in place. Like so. Now, just pretend this is single-sided tape. And now we shall try and roll it up. Nice and tight. Keeping the seeds in there, we hope. And there we go. We shall tape that up around here. And that's our first one done. And then we'll just continue on with some more. Let's get some more tape off. And there we are. Trim this plastic. And hopefully we shall get some parsnips growing out the top here. So hopefully that audio worked. I'm going to go and do a couple more. We'll soak them really, really well. And because it's in this black plastic, the moisture should stay within and our seeds will grow down through there. When we unroll it, we shall be able to take them out gently, use our dibbler, wherever he's gone, there he is, create a nice hole for it, drop them in, backfill, and they shouldn't get too disturbed and we end up with all crooked parsnips. Hang about and we'll have a look to see if this works. If you tried it, let me know in the comments. Is this going to work? Is this going to be worthwhile? Most people use it for space savings, which I'm not really that interested in. But parsnips, lovely curmudgeon camera person's favourite veggie, but they haven't done well here. All right, you guys enjoy life. We'll come back in a few weeks and see if these have worked. I'll catch you in the garden.